Great morning, kings and queens. It's Monday. We're going to get it started off right with this positive vibe and these positive energy. We got to have some self-improvement each day. Improvement starts with what I need to do to improve. If it's a little bit a day, it's all it take a few steps to get better. I may need to walk a little bit a day to take some free time to clear my head and think about what I'm going to do. I may need to start my day off with reading. Start by reading 5 minutes a day, or I need to take small steps in order to make whatever goal I have to do, just to improve on you and what you need to do each day. You got to continue to improve. It's better than being delayed trying to be perfectionist. You're not going to always be perfect in what you do. You're going to always want to get better. So you have to continually take steps. So let's improve today, baby. Get a little bit better, just a little bit each day, and you become better along down the road. Let's get better, y'all. Let go and let's grow. Let's evolve. One day at a time, one rep at a time, baby. Get up, get out, and do something. Let's get it.